This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Eric Jones. Low HOA fees, water view, motivated seller, quick close. Open house Wednesday, June 9, 2021 from 1 p. 4 p. Highest and best by 8 p.m. on Weds 609. Multiple offers, highest and best due Weds 8 p.m. On arrival to the quiet cul-de-sac, you will notice the oversized driveway which welcomes you to the magnificently maintained Raleigh home floor plan. This freshly painted home has 5-bedroom and 2.5 baths. The entry hallway has built-in finishing touches with an accent wall to display your family's future memories made in this home. A flex room upon entry can be used as a formal dining, seating, or office space. Open kitchen and great room with stainless appliances and oversized walk-in pantry. Master suite on first floor features an oversized closet and private ensuite bathroom with dual sink. Conveniently located laundry room. Half bath located in main living space on first level. 4 well-sized bedrooms and a full bathroom are located upstairs. Second level features an open loft space that would make an excellent family seating, reading nook, or play area. Large covered screened lanai allows you to enjoy the views of the serene pond behind and a conservation area behind the home. Yard is well maintained by contracted company via the HOA, included in monthly HOA dues. Property has complete vinyl fence backyard 6 feet high on sides, and 4 feet across rear with gated/lockable access. Home is located within 1 mile from the upcoming Crystal Lagoon, still in development. Easy access to I-75 and the beach is only 25 minutes away, and Orlando is only 70 minutes. Vista Palms has a variety of wonderful amenities for this community. Nature trails, a swimming pool with splash pad, playground, fitness center, bocce ball, and pickleball all come together to create an ideal setting for staying active within your own community. Residents will also enjoy a community clubhouse with rentable venue area, full kitchen, and billiards table. For more information, review the details.